Courtesy elevator, one of the glass elevators here at Milwaukee Mitchell Airport in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Let's go to M. Let's go out the window here. It's a Dover Impulse. Here at the Mezzanine. Looks like this might be an older Dover Impulse. Let's go back down the one. Yeah, this is actually an older Dover Impulse. Let's get a cab view here. It's a nice cab, but it's kind of an interesting shape though. Your indicator, 3,500 watt capacity, impulse fixtures, your COP. Here at 1. Ring the bell. There it goes in. That'll be it.